In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and organize a branded board in Chrome. To get started, open your board in Google Chrome. Using Chrome helps make sure the board runs smoothly and that all the design tools respond the way you expect. If your board is already open in another tab, just bring it into focus so you can follow along without interruptions. It also helps to zoom in or out a little, depending on the amount of space you have on the canvas, so you can clearly see each object as you work. Once your board is open, move over to the left creation bar. This is where you'll find the main elements you'll use to build your layout, including shapes, text fields, and icons. Shapes are useful for buttons, containers, labels, and section backgrounds. Text fields let you add headings, short descriptions, or interface labels. Icons are great for making the design easier to scan and understand quickly. As you add these elements, try to place them with intention so your board feels clean and organized from the beginning. After placing your elements on the board, the next step is to apply your brand colors. Select an object, then open the Object Style menu to adjust its appearance. This is where you can enter precise brand hex colors to make sure everything matches your visual identity accurately. Using exact hex values is important because it keeps colors consistent across shapes, text, and icons, especially if you're building UI concepts, mood boards, or branded layouts. And take a moment to double check that each selected element is using the correct color, especially if you're switching between background colors, accent colors, and text colors. As your board starts to come together, you'll want to keep related elements organized. Select UI items that belong together, such as an icon with a label or a button shape with its text, and group them using Ctrl and G on Windows or Command and G on Mac. Grouping makes it much easier to move, resize, and align multiple elements as one unit instead of adjusting each piece individually. This saves time and helps preserve the structure of your layout. As you continue refining the board, grouping also reduces the chance of accidentally shifting one element out of place. The overall goal is to create a board that not only looks on brand, but is also easy to manage and edit. With Chrome open, the right elements selected from the creation bar, accurate brand hex colors applied, and related UI components grouped together, you'll have a much more polished and professional looking board.